Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is turmeric tea. In this recipe I am going to use raw turmeric root, and in case if it is not available to you, then you can also use turmeric powder. As you all can see how it looks, it gives yellow stain very strongly, so if you have a white kitchen counter, then peel it on a plate or a napkin paper. So next step is that we are going to grate turmeric root and ginger root. In 500 ml water, we are going to add ginger, turmeric and black pepper. Boil it for 10 to 15 minutes or till the quantity reduces to half. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and it's great for your skin and helps in amazing inch loss, especially around your belly. Turmeric contains curcumin, which plays a strong role in reducing pain and inflammation, and hence it gives relief from swelling and other symptoms of arthritis too. Studies also shows that it prevents cancer, and using it in raw form is the best option. Having this tea empty stomach is not recommended, hence the best time to have it is after your breakfast or in the evening. In winters it is okay to have it daily, but if you are taking it in summertime, then take for 15 days and give a gap of 15 days and again start it. After boiling for 5 minutes, you can take it in glass without straining, or if you want you can strain it. Personally, I prefer to strain it as I don't like the chunks of ginger and turmeric. Turmeric tea is good in taste, you can have it as it is, but in case if you don't like its taste, then you can also add honey or lemon in it. This tea is excellent for your skin, especially if you are facing the acne issues. So do try this refreshing tea. It's great in taste and also has so many health benefits. Thanks for watching. I will be back soon with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.